Forget everything you think you know. That image of a caveman ripping into a giant turkey leg? Wrong. The idea that ancient humans just hunted mammoths all day and grilled steaks over a fire? Also wrong. The truth about what our ancestors actually ate is way weirder, way smarter, and honestly, kind of disgusting by our standards. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll never look at your dinner plate the same way again. Here's the myth. Everywhere from cereal boxes to Instagram diet gurus, early humans were meat-obsessed hunters. Big spear, big kill, big feast. Here's the problem. That story mostly comes from one specific group, hunters in cold climates like Ice Age Europe, and we accidentally applied it to all early humans, everywhere, for millions of years. Reality check. Humans lived on basically every continent, in wildly different environments. A stickman in the Kalahari Desert was not eating the same dinner as a stickman on the Siberian tundra. Diet wasn't one thing. It was thousands of local experiments running at once. So what was actually on the ancient plate? Let's build it, piece by piece. Tubers and roots. Boring? Maybe. But digging up roots was one of the most reliable food sources humans had. No chasing, no waiting for the right season. Just dig. Nuts and seeds. Packed with fat and calories, and they don't run away. Huge win if you're trying not to starve. Fruits, when in season. And yes, sometimes the wrong berry meant a very bad night. Trial and error was a real, painful part of the ancient diet. Insects, not a punishment. A protein-rich snack. Even today, over 2 billion people worldwide regularly eat insects. Ancient humans weren't grossed out. We are. Shellfish and small aquatic life. Coastal humans had it easy in some ways. Shellfish don't fight back and they're loaded with brain-boosting fats. And yes, meat. But hunting large game was rare, risky, and often failed. Most calories, most days, came from the boring stuff. Plants, roots, and small catches. The heroic mammoth hunt was the exception, not the rule. Here's a clue scientists actually use. The human gut. Compare it to a lion's gut. Short, simple, built for pure meat digestion. Ours is long and complex, more like an omnivore's, built to handle fiber, starches, and plant toxins. Our teeth tell the same story. Flat molars for grinding, not just sharp points for tearing flesh. Basically, our bodies were built like a Swiss Army knife, not a scalpel. Ready for almost anything, not specialized for one thing. Then came the single biggest upgrade in the history of human eating. Fire. Cooking did something wild. It pre-digested food outside the body. Meat became easier to chew. Starchy roots became sweeter and safer. Toxins in some plants got broken down. Suddenly, calories that used to take hours to extract were available almost instantly. Some researchers argue cooking is a big reason our brains got bigger. More usable calories meant more fuel for a hungry, growing brain. Here's the part modern diet trends always skip. Ancient humans didn't have a diet plan. They had whatever didn't kill them that week. Winter might mean stored roots and dried meat. Summer might mean fruit, eggs, insects, fish. There was no fixed macro split, no ancestral eating plan. There was flexibility. And flexibility is exactly what let humans spread into nearly every environment on Earth. That adaptability, not a specific food, is arguably the real ancient human diet secret. So next time someone tells you humans evolved to eat one specific thing, steak or paleo bowls or whatever the latest trend is, remember this. Our ancestors ate roots, nuts, bugs, shellfish, fruit, and occasionally meat, depending entirely on where they lived and what season it was. The real ancient diet wasn't a diet at all. It was improvisation. Millions of years of humans figuring out how not to starve, one meal at a time. If this changed how you think about food, hit subscribe. Because next time, we're diving into how ancient humans actually cooked their meals, and it's stranger than you'd think.